In the heart of the 19th century, Paris, the city of light, was struck by a plague. Not the Black Death, but a different foe, an unseen enemy lurking in the city's milk supply. Each day, French mothers would feed their infants with this seemingly innocent nourishment, unaware of the hidden danger. The infant mortality rate soared, and Parisians grew desperate for a solution. Enter Louis Pasteur, a brilliant scientist with a groundbreaking theory. He proposed that microorganisms caused diseases, a concept once ridiculed, but now offered a glimmer of hope. Pasteur's idea was simple yet revolutionary: heat milk to a specific temperature, destroying the harmful bacteria while preserving its nutritional value. This process, he called pasteurization. The city's leaders were skeptical, but the desperate citizens were willing to try anything. Pasteur, with his unwavering determination, set out to prove his theory. In a makeshift laboratory, Pasteur heated milk over a stove, monitoring the temperature carefully. The air in the room was thick with anticipation. Finally, after hours of painstaking work, he declared victory. The pasteurized milk was delivered to a local orphanage, and the results were astounding. The infant mortality rate plummeted, a clear sign that Pasteur's solution was working. The success of pasteurization in Paris sparked a revolution in public health initiatives. The process was quickly adopted worldwide, saving countless lives and revolutionizing the food industry. Today, we take pasteurized milk for granted, but we must not forget the man who brought this life-saving innovation to the world. Louis Pasteur, a humble scientist, transformed public health with his unwavering determination and groundbreaking theory. His story serves as a reminder that science can be a powerful tool for change, and that sometimes, the smallest actions can have the largest impact. The pasteurization of Paris stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity in the face of adversity.